This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult a professional before investing. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Conditions discussed reflect the market as of October 6, 2025 and may change quickly. Bitcoin just hit a new ATH at 125,000, now hovering around 124,000. What's next for the coming weeks? Year to date, it's up 47%. Momentum is strong, but the path ahead depends on a few key drivers and levels we'll break down now. To understand today's price, let's look at the drivers creating a perfect storm for growth. First, the Federal Reserve shifted to rate cuts earlier this year. Lower rates make savings and bonds less attractive, nudging capital toward alternatives like Bitcoin. Second, spot Bitcoin ETFs unlocked access for both retail and institutions. Steady ETF demand exerts direct buying pressure and adds legitimacy, drawing in conservative money. Third, the Bitcoin halving reduced new supply by half. Historically, halvings precede major bull runs, and we're seeing those effects materialize. Lower rates push investors to alternatives. ETFs make entry easy, and constrained supply amplifies moves. Together, these forces help explain Bitcoin's sustained rise into 2025. And today's valuation, near 124,000, with resistance ahead at 127,000. Looking at the coming weeks, three scenarios stand out, anchored to the key levels we just mapped. Which path plays out hinges on 123,000 support and 127,000 resistance. Bull case, a decisive break and hold above 127,000. Targets cluster around 129 to 133,000 by late October. About a 16% upside, per CoinCodex and JP Morgan commentary. Above ATHs, price discovery can accelerate when sellers are scarce. Bear case, rejection at 127 with momentum fading. A break of 123 puts the 120,000 support in play. A move toward 120 could be a 3 to 4% pullback, enough to shake weak hands and tempt long-term buyers. Neutral case, sideways consolidation between 123 and 127. That reflects temporary equilibrium as conviction rebuilds. Consolidation can be healthy, letting price base before the next trend. Watch for a clean break of 127 or 123 to signal which path is in motion. The outcome depends on whether bullish catalysts outpace emerging sell pressure. Plan for all three. Preparation is key in volatile markets. If you're new, choose your access method carefully. Buying directly is common, but spot ETFs, like IBIT, can be a simpler starting point. ETFs trade on traditional exchanges, live in standard brokerage accounts, and are regulated products. They remove complexities like managing private keys and wallets. Be ready for volatility. What goes up can come down quickly. Avoid emotional decisions on short-term swings. Consider dollar cost averaging. Fixed amounts at regular intervals to smooth your entry price. DYOR with reputable sources, Investopedia, official project sites, and established financial outlets. Many view Bitcoin as long-term, with a fixed supply and growing network adoption underpinning its thesis. Where do you believe Bitcoin's price will go next? Bullish breakout, pullback, or sideways? Share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for crypto updates, and drop your BTC prediction. Recap. Price near 124, resistance at 127, supports at 123 and 120. Use the timestamps to revisit sections quickly. This video is educational only and not investment advice. Always consult a qualified financial professional. Key terms: ATH, all-time high, resistance, a level price struggles to rise above. Thanks for watching.